Hello? Hello? Hey friends! What's up? What's good? It's me, Brianna.Ali. I am back with a new video after 11 years. I don't know when the last time I've been on here, but I'm back. And today's video is going to be an Adidas Yeezy slide review that I got on the confirmed app at retail, not resale, because that's a flex. And let me tell you that I was not paying over retail for these slides. Like, I wanted them really bad, but I didn't want them that bad. So anyway, I'm gonna be showing y'all the slide, reviewing the slide, getting into all the details and so on. So let's begin. All right, so we got the slides right here right now. The box is super small compared to most other Yeezy boxes. Still the staple box, brown cardboard, whatever you want to call it, box. Top says slide. We got the details right here on the back. So this is how they come, wrapped in paper, wet paper. And here we are, the Adidas, what the hell did I just say? Adidas Pure Slide. Real clean, real basic, real thick, almost thicker than me, but not thicker than me. Right away at the touch, they feel super comfortable, super flexible, not stiff, bouncy almost, I would say. And I think I said this was the bone color. This is the pure color. You got so many damn colorways that almost damn near all look alike, but these are the pure slides. Now, I normally wear a size 7.5 in men's shoes, which translates to a 9 women's, and I'm typically a true 9. I only size up when I do like heels and stuff. But Yeezys run absolutely small. Like, the first time I got Yeezys, I had like 3 pairs of V2s. I got them all in the 7.5. I got my first pair of Wave Runners in the 7.5, and the motherfuckers was snug. They was very little. I mean, little. I had to take the outsole, or I'm sorry, the insole out of my Wave Runners in order for me to wear those. And I ended up just selling them. Actually, no, I'm lying. They're downstairs. I'm going to sell them. But I recently got a size 8 in my second pair of Wave Runners, and baby, those fit way better. I will never get another size 7.5. I even had my foam runners. I think I got an 8 in those, and those were small. So I was nervous about getting these in an 8, but I got an 8. I already tried them on off camera, but I'm gonna show y'all again. And don't be trying to look at my toes, because I need a pedicure. But okay, so this is the slide. We'll just show y'all a closer view. Narrow toe box. I like this. I like the slimming opening right here. All right, we're gonna try on the left shoe. So, let's see. Okay, so that's how they fit. Oh, look at my second toe just standing up. I love these. These are very cute. I got room in the front, room in the back. Let me tell y'all, I am not a fan. I don't like my sandals fitting like just right, or like where my toe is literally about to scrub the ground, or the back of my heel is about to scrub the ground. That's not my size. I need a little bit of room around the perimeter, so if I need to my foot not halfway out the sandal, that is like, I could go on a rant about that. If your toes are hanging over your sandals, your heels, that's not your size. You need a bigger one. Anyway, I'm gonna stand up in these just so I can see really quick. Oh yeah, I like that. It also feels like they have some type of arch support in there. Like, I can feel it curving in, which is cool because apparently I got flat feet. I don't think I have flat feet because I can clearly see an arch in my foot, but maybe when I stand the way I walk. One of my doctors told me that, so I don't know. These are cute though. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend if you need a staple slide for the summer, even going into the fall. You could throw on chunky socks with these. I've seen that. I think it's cute. Pool day, school day, errand day, need to slide on somebody day. These are the slides. So I think that completes my review. I don't think I have anything else to say about them other than I really like them. I like them. I like them a lot. I hope I covered everything. I think I covered everything, but if I didn't, y'all know, comment below, let me know your thoughts, let me know any questions you might have. But yeah, hopefully you like this video. Let me know if you want to see something else, and thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.